guys? I'm a little bit late. I apologize. All the apologies. And you know, I've been worse. Ta-da! Okay. We are ready, steady. Louis, what's up? 2 days in a row, son. Yeah, Louis, is that news true? Right? Is it done? Is there gonna be, I don't want to say is there gonna be peace in the world, but you know, is it true? Sorry about the lag. It's because I opened up too many things at once and I think the PC had a mini meltdown. What's up, Debbie? How you doing? Hope you're amazing. Yo, Loader, how you doing? I have not gone through any of this yet, and I must say I opened my charts and went, what? Excuse me? When I saw this buy, what the heck, man? Yeah, for 2 weeks at least. Aw, HD, KHD. Low-key love that. Hey, Lance. So what time is it in SA stream? Is that 3 a.m.? So it's 3 a.m. EST. It is 9 a.m. SA time. Which is pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool. Can't complain about that. I think that's being done, that's fine. There we go. Yeah, Asia went wild. Good morning. Today's trading. Any reason to trade Asia session? Hey, Javon. Well, I'm not trading Asia. I'm trading London. There do be a difference. There do be a difference. Okay, so all of these midnights are now gone bye-bye. So that was yesterday's midnight, that was yesterday's daily. I have to get rid of all of this freaking buy-side liquidity that it just stampeded through. I feel like I can't even say this went to the moon. This went, circled the moon like 5 times, and then continued to just do its own thing. This is literal insanity right now. Wow, seriously, who got in on that? Who got in on that? Hey, Hammer! What's up? Why are we not working today? You know when things are just not working and you don't know why, they decided that they just don't want to work for you today. Like my multi-chat has decided that, you know, screw me. I wanted to buy last night, but the market was closed. That's poopy. Sorry. Guess I'm trading gold now. Hey, Shaggy, what's up? How are we doing? I made money in class yesterday, so that's fine. Well, that's nice. You know when things do be testing you. That's where today is at. Okay. Henry, what's up? How you doing? Start calling Asia an Artemis. I love that. Okay, well, let's right. We have to start somewhere. Let's start with marking out the session's highs and lows. Well, clearly New York high was taken. I don't know what gave me that impression. It's just a hunch, you know. But New York low is still there. / previous day low. That's cool. That's cool. Woo! K-Doke. Asia low. Do be over here. Okay, Asia High has also been taken, so that's then fine. Now, what I want to do is, would this not be Asia Low? I'm calling BS on that. I will keep this one up, but let me, okay. I'm also gonna mark this out as Asia Low. Anyways, we have a new daily opening gap, because, good grief. Okay, there's our new daily opening gap. Where'd the sunlight go? Anyways, it's been a massive cloud that just took over there. Whee! Whee! And whee! I'm also just, okay, I won't mark it as Asia Low. I'm just going to put a little point here because there will be quite a bit of liquidity over there. So new daily opening gap done. Cool, cool, cool. You know, if London had to just consolidate today, I would not even be surprised. I'd be like, that makes so much sense. After whatever the hey diddly day happened during Asia session today. Okay, so here's midnight. Dunsies. Now, I guess we do our top to bottom analysis. Sugar honey iced tea. Just make sure I didn't mess with. Yeah, okay, we're good. Rather just trust in that. Cool, cool, cool. Cool, cool, cool. Ah, nice bit. With a new high in the market, it's likely to correct itself. I mean, Rolf, that's valid. Are you actually trading psychological levels? What do you mean by psychological levels, Henry? This pump is absolute. 2.3. Oh my gosh. Why do you guys make such complex strategies? Loda, what do you mean? I've missed a lot. I apologize. I see I've missed a lot. Oh my gosh, is it working? Oh, my multi-chat is working. Yes. So why it makes such complex? My friend. Taking London to chop today, so leaving London out. I mean, Debbie, that's better. Psychological levels are nice round numbers. Oh, like going to 25. Right? Like that type of thing? Dom says we go down. I mean, again, I will not be surprised if we go down because it has to correct for the absolute wild ride that happened. Seriously, guys, when I went onto the charts, I was like, what? What did I just... What happened? It still has not quite reached these equal highs. I mean, it's basically there. Cool, 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 cool. New day, new me, new account. Wait, why do you have a new account, GGL? What happened? Main levels almost. Oh my god. Hey George, what's up? Oh. They clean stop losses up and down. True, very valid. I forgot to actually say good morning.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Okay, so daily is just... yeah. I mean, for it to correct, at least 50% would be ideal. To see it go back down to the new daily opening gap would be an intense move. That being said, I said that yesterday about London, and London did just that, so it's fine. Let's check the not the 4 minute. Maya, you chopstick 4 hour. There we go. Potential start here. Equal high. Oh, it's just tapped into it. Let's see if it takes it. If it does, that would be a good key to dip down to. At least back to VWAP, right? Gosh. It's insane. I mean, it's definitely slowed down. Definitely can't deny that the price action is now slowed down from Asia. Oh, seriously, guys, seriously. Maybe I just need to start trading Asia session because that, wow. Just, wow. Hear me out. What if the buyers never exhaust themselves? No, I know it's bound to happen. You have to have corrections. This is a massive imbalance. The charts demand balance. Dun dun dun. But will it happen? Let's see. To go back down to at least, what's this? 767. Ooh, 5 minutes? I mean, the whole thing is just basically an imbalance at this point. Lost a little bit there. Going down to 005. Okay. Let's do this thing. Like a chicken wing. Don't ask me why it's a chicken wing, but we're doing this. Yeah, here are these relative equal highs. Okay, down to midnight. GGL, well, I got $15 left to trade on my other accounts. I bought a new one. I really need to trade less. Look at that, 3 trades per day, but I lost. But I trade what? You trade a 30 minimum. Good grief. We got a viewer. This is a nice short. I sold at 25176. I'm gonna watch what we get. If we get confirmation that the GAN box is back in play like it was yesterday. Oh, I must say it was nice to have the markets doing what I like to see it do. So it's actually not a bad setup. No, wrong thing, sorry. This is actually really not a bad setup, but that being said, I've jumped in too early before. So let's not now go and do something dumb. Hey Umka, what's up? Wouldn't surprise me if we went to the new daily, but expecting a reversal somewhere around EQ. LMW, what's the max drawdown on this account? 48325. I got close. I was at 3. What was I at? Did I get down to 3? 340. I actually think I was like $15 away from blowing this account. Oh, what's up, Eddie? How you doing? No. Can I thought I was wearing a Spider-Man costume? That would have been low-key cool. Okay, let's just get one confirmation with regards. Oh, this could want to spike up one last time. Or not? Maya, red suits. I've heard red suits me really, really well. I have heard that, but ironically, I don't have a lot of red clothes. And I've heard it a few times, and I actually really enjoy red, but I actually don't have any red clothing. I don't know if that's weird or not. You're 1 point, you're like 30 foot from. Well played to get back so far. We got this. Oh, thank you, Life Sound. The grave and get paid on it. Even just once, it'll be glorious. Lance, can you imagine? That would actually be freaking awesome. You know, if the Wi-Fi is gonna be dumb. I love Google Translate. I'm buying Google glasses next. What are Google glasses? I feel really behind the times. What are Google glasses? If we broke Bob level down, you know. I know, but it's if it breaks Bob level down. How much would I be risking with this one? Bit of a rejection there. The only reason I'm hesitant is because we haven't had a change of character or break of structure yet. Hey, what pair am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. So, not a pair. What's up? How you doing? How's everybody doing, by the way? So, I was low-key a little bit rude. How's everybody doing? Has everyone been having whoop whoops?
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Oh, the audacity. Would have missed my entry. Okay then. See, we're doing slow down. Fast up. Rude. That would have missed me by a tick. It actually would have missed me by a tick. Okay, well, good to know that it is respecting. Now we can start having fun. Sorry, that was my evil laugh. I hope you like it. I don't use it often, but okay. Let's see. Wait for confirmation. Maya, don't jump in on things. Do I have a Telegram channel? I do not. Sorry, I do have a Discord though. Google Glass features a lightweight wearable in-snap display. Hand-free camera for photos, videos, voice call. What the heck, man? Louis? I don't even actually want to know the cost of that though. Like, that must be so freaking, like, expensive. How much would that have cost? Hey, Leox, what's up? How you doing? Site? Heyo. I don't trust trading against a strong rally that hasn't had a volume climax, Rolf. Valid. I don't know, Dom. I see it. I see it. I said I need to wait for confirmations. Gotta wait for my confirmations. Don't just rush into things. Trust, I've done it before. It ends up being a bit of a gamble. If you rush into things without waiting for your confirmations, it's a problem. I think I'm just on a bit of a things are working again after yesterday. So let's confirm that things are actually still working again. And then we'll go from there. Sure, I mean, look at this. Even if I'd put it there, it'd basically nearly top tick. I mean, bottom wicked. Okay, so that's not a bad confirmation to see that things are working well there. This, I don't think would have retraced. Oh, no, it didn't. Did not retrace. That did retrace 50%. This retraced more than 50? No, that also retraced 50%. Oh, shoot. Okay, let's see. Maybe I was wrong. Once we get confirmation, then we should be good to go. Hey, Beachman, what's up? How you doing? Used ones are $100 on eBay, but 2026 ones will be about 800. Do you want to know how expensive that is in rands? Shall we? Let's do this. Dollars to rands. So let's say you said let's say it's $800. That is 13,150 rand. Good grief. That do be a lot of money. That do be a lot of money. Wow. Okay, anyway, sorry, back to the charts. What's up, Muddy? How you doing? Hey, Hyla. How you doing? Is general life expensive in SA? Yes and no. I think if you guys had to come down here, you would laugh at how cheap it was. But for us that obviously earn in rands, different story. But, you know, like I said, people that earn in dollars, they come down here and they're just like, this is absolutely nothing at all. I wanted to do something. Louis is secretly a Google salesman. Jackie. Yeah, that was good.
Nice.
Oh shoot, man, I did want to do something. Yeah, well, if I've forgotten what it was, then clearly it wasn't that important, so it's fine. Lance, where's David? Oh, good question. I have no idea. Yeah, I mean, my Discord decided to hate me for some reason. I can still access it on my phone though, so if I've been a bit quiet on Discord, it's because apparently on the PC, the Discord's just going, okay, bye. Green Globe, what's up? This is all school now. Okay, Red Bull. OTT, I thought your mom was back. Spam, 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 spam. Spam, 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 spam. Yeah. So I know I'm being weird, is what I always do. I was spamming the like button. High Life hopped on, and I remember that the rules state that you have to like both streams and then you get wins. So I was like, oh, I nearly forgot. I don't make the rules. Shaggy, I said Shaggy. Did I not say Shaggy? Sorry, did it come out as Shaggy? It's definitely Shaggy. Just had a quick Google, 21k average. I mean, that's a bit wild. Like, good wild, bad wild. Like, sound, you have to be a little bit more... No. Next for level 7 high, what broker is the best? It depends. It depends on where you live, who you are, what type of trader you are. I can't be, yeah, this one is definitely the best. You have to use this one. Whenever I want to eat that, I just eat a small bowl of rice. Dom says, Maya, wake up. For what? Someone said I needed to touch grass more often. Well, I mean, is it not good to go and touch grass? OTT, you know, get out of the house a little bit. Your chat not clear. Sorry about that. Oh, Louis says, wow, that is... Sorry, bad wild. Oh, there we go. Yeah, live sound. There we go. So, like I said, if you had to come down here, you would be like, wow, this is so dirt cheap. But... Let's get this. Go back to us. Thanks, Muddy. Well, let's see. Get ready for a push higher here. Look, well, oh, Ralph and Dom are going against each other here. I love it. Who's gonna win? Dun dun dun. Ralph says it's gonna go up. Dom says it's gonna go down. We shall see. And once I get confirmation here, then I will know that the GAN is back in play. It was back in play yesterday. I was very excited. I was very happy. No ways, live sound, no. Okay, got that, but which am I using at the moment, please? I am currently funded with Top 1 Futures, but I'm very keen on getting myself a Tradeify account. Very keen, trust. Thank you, Muddy. Have a go check out some, hold on, he tested some brokers, final one. And they've joined up with Trade Nation now. It's also on TradingView. Ooh! There we go. Thanks, Hammer. Depends on if the grass is in a dog park or not. Might end up touching the little... Does anyone here live in Greece? I'm guessing no. Why, Lance? It looks bear flaggy. Aiming for midnight. Yep, that would have been a loss. Watch this be a top tick situation. So, booyah! That would have been a losing trade if I'd taken it. At least I listen to myself sometimes. Has been up and downish or steady, staying patient more? Oh, definitely up and downish. Trust. It's been some days where I'm like, what is happening? yesterday was a really good day, but a really frustrating day. Ugh. But it's fine. You got a referral link? I do. I definitely do. Everything is in my description below if you want to go and check it out. But I definitely do have a referral link. That's well left, that one. I'm supposed to be visiting Greece in August, just looking for a local. Ah. Bet you're glad you're not short right now. PDF, what's up? Just tapped into... but next for level, there is a referral link, and you can also use my code. It's TeachMaya, all caps, no gaps. I've sound just tapped into that 5-minute fair value gap, so now we can drop, please. Oh, sugar honey iced tea. Ooh, okay. Oh damn! Oh damn! Oh damn! Well, it's solidly tapped into the order block now. Let's see. Like I said, there was no change of character here. We haven't had a change of character or break of structure yet. Once we get that, sure, then shorts will be in play, but not just yet. Actually, I'm gonna watch the stream better. You look clearer in this one. Louis, which one is that? We missed all the good moves in Asia. I know, Hammer. I know. You know, do you know what I think? I think at this point, let's just say screw it and full port. Sorry. That's good. You're learning patience even more than you already know, because keeping an account alive is basically learning straight up patience and time. Oh my goodness, that's a understatement. Graph, what's up? Or not. Add that L to this. No, live sound. It's okay. I got you. Oh, Muddy, you're gonna yell at me because I haven't sorted this out yet. I got you. Wait, I don't got you. Now I do. I got you. There we go, live sound. Learning from the deep end. A little bit muddy. It's going for the highs. Oh, it didn't tap into these equal highs. That's a good point. I wanted to fake out, maybe go grab these equal highs. I wonder if it's going to take out this Asia high as well, but definitely these equal highs. And then maybe we'll start seeing a drop. That was a very valid point. Would be nice if we can see that happen. Okie dokie. Oh, sorry, Muddy, but I mean, it's not a bad one. Oh, really, dude? That's interesting. I grabbed these moves in Asia. I'm mad greens. I'm a revenge. Wow. Hammer, you think it's going much higher for the day? OTT, I agree. I was also expecting chop, but that being said, I said that yesterday, and then London actually moved quite decently, and New York. Damn, actually, yesterday all three sessions moved pretty decently. Order is in. Nice. Sorry, for those of you that don't know why I'm laughing at Hammer, is because anytime someone says full port, he specifically bought an account to full port anytime anyone says full port. Here's what's the minimum to start up with a first beginner. Okay, so what's the minimum to start up with first as a beginner? next full level, I would say the absolute minimum. And this might even be pushing it, but $100. Again, like I said, maybe that's pushing it a little bit. Maybe a little bit more, but absolute minimum would be $100. Also, do you trade for people that can't trade for themselves? Yeah, no, sorry. No. I don't need to be doing that. That seems like a very bad idea. You think it's gonna drop from 25189? I didn't, but maybe it will. I really thought that it would go up to this buy side liquidity at the tippy top over here. Hey, White Tools, what's up? How you doing? Yes, to what revenge trading? I only do that when I'm about time to splurge on some bad habits. Louis, that sounds like a bad idea, but you know what? If it works for you, it works for you. I'm in the green with that order. No ways, Hava. That is amazing. Yes, the win, but yeah, I would do the same for revenge trading. I have a daily target of, so I would have gone over that. I'd be more tempted to take more trades in the rest is bonus. Blue line perfect for entry. I'm waiting for market. Dom, ready for entry where now? I thought you said it was selling. Hey, J-Red, YouTube, how you doing? Not trading until New York. Trading Asia. I knew it was going to be good. Expecting London to shop and manipulate for the session. That's why I'm going to stay hands off until we get some confirmation. Like yesterday, London started a little bit meh and then it ended really, really well. So maybe we can get the same Z's to happen again. Oh, gosh. Hey. Oh, I have hiccups. Thank you. You're very, very sweet. Right. Yeah. Me too. I have daily tonight. Hey, Lil, what's up? How you doing? Debs, I should have stayed up, but on my side, it's like almost 2 AM. Yeah, no, Hammer, I would never be able to. That being said, I barely slept last night, so maybe I should have. I should have maybe just said screw it and just hopped on the charts. Right now, blue line is okay. I dragged J-Red into the community. I'm so patient to wait for the price waterfall. Yeah, I trade top step. Currently got my 5th winning day yesterday, so I can take a payout, but trying to build a buffer. Damn, life sound. One day I'll be as cool as you guys. Not yet, but one day. Yeah, New York opens at 12:15 AM and straight. Yeah, no, that's rough. I have an ant on my wall. Okay, so far this is looking like chop. Let's hope it's not. You guys might judge me. I'm not actually drinking coffee today. I've made myself a cup of tea. I'm low-key judging me, but it's fine. Thanks, Lou. You swim with sharks. You're already cooler than 90% of the people I know. Oh my gosh. That ant is David. Oh my gosh, you guys are hilarious. Oh, flip.
That's what she said. Michael.
And take it off the back there. No! That's okay, life sound. Let's see what we get here. Patience pays, patience pays, patience pays, patience pays. You gotta just keep going with it, right? Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, or just keep trading, or just keep waiting at this point it should be the go-to song. Just keep waiting, just keep waiting. And then let's go. God, am I supposed to fill up the brown gold? Hey, perennial growth, how many trades do you usually take in a trading session or per day week? Perennial growth, it's a little bit tricky. Recently, I've only been taking like 1 trade per session. I should probably be taking more, but I'm being extra cautious because I'm very close to my max drawdown. So I'm being extra picky and just extra. I'm just being extra. But let's say normally I would probably have taken 2 trades per session, so 4 trades a day because I trade both London and New York session. But yeah, like I said, recently I've been a little bit more sit on my hands, wait for a good confirmation, and then take a trade. So 2 trades a day, 1 during London, 1 during New York. Again, day dependent. Yesterday, I actually should have taken a few more trades. I had a look during London, there was 4. I could have had 4 winning trades. And I took an oopsie one. Well, not an oopsie one. I took a good one. I was just dumb and I moved my stop loss. So tag me out. If I had not moved my stop loss, it would have been a winning trade. Oops. But point is, that yes, recently it's basically just been 1 trade per session, and I trade both London and New York session. And especially if it's a winner, I'm like, hands off, let's end in the green. Any green is good. Hit and mag from New York here, I think I'll be bullish here. Lucky I'm busy. Take this train, just got it. In on sells at 163. If you had to start fresh, what resource specifically would you use to learn? Junior? I'd have to say probably still YouTube. Like, there's a lot of people who claim to be gurus and but YouTube is definitely the place to go to learn things. You just have to know yourself well enough to know what's going to work for you and what's not. I don't know if I would have changed much, to be fair. It's been such a crazy journey. I really don't think I would have changed much. If I want 30 is my TP. Like the... Hey Darth Bear, what's up? New trader here, just subscribed. Thank you. Shout out. Welcome, welcome. Welcome to the chaos. We have fun here. It's chaotic.
That's what she said.
I feel like the important fact is that we're here. Wood Fanatic, how long before you felt confident? Oh, I'm still working on my confidence. Good grief. Sure, I love how people are like, I am still working on my confidence. It's actually probably one of my biggest struggles. My confidence. That and overthinking. I think if I master those 2 things, I should be good to go. Why does this look like sad price action? This is doing some seek and destroy BS right now. Okay, I need confirmation of a solid break. Hands off. This is quite a decent way to test if it is going to start respecting. Okay. thanks, Muddy. Now we're in my first entry. Yeah, strategy hopped and watched 5,000 hours of YouTube videos and landed on making my own indicators to hone in on my strategy. There we go. See? A book discipline trader. Also find a YouTuber you vibe with and understand their system. Lots of nonsense out there, so you'll need to go through a lot of it. Yeah, life sound. That is the tricky part. If you're new and there's all these influencers, yeah, and there's all these influencers claiming that they're making millions a day, and obviously you want to be able to do that. You want to have the freedom. So you go and you give it a try and you realize, oh, it's not as easy as I thought. Oh, maybe it's not working. I guess the only major tip I could give is if there's someone saying this works 100% of the time, run away. I don't believe there's such a strategy that works 100% of the time. You can have high win rates, but I think 100% is pushing it. Maybe they have like an extremely high win rate because they know the correct conditions, and they can be close to 100% because they know when to trade and when not to trade. Doesn't mean they're taking every single one. I hope that made sense. I think I can help with your confidence. I found a solid way to get entries and lose and profit. True, Louis, you do seem like you're doing pretty well. Muddy some consolidation till New York a little bit. YouTube is obviously my life sound. You're so funny. Oh gosh. Have been invaluable for me. There we go. I think I can help with your confidence. I recently been focused on learning how to mark out the market structure, but I often find myself accidentally marking the internal structure. Do you have any tips on how to mark only the swings? I mean, there's some indicators for that. Junior, in all honesty, there's some indicators for that. If you want to make your life easier, you can get an indicator. Then you don't have to manually do it. You have an indicator that shows them for you and you don't have to triple guess yourself. Don't ask me which indicator though. I use mine more for, I mark out the sessions highs and lows. You got this. Keep trading. The better you'll get. Oh, thank you, Rolf. You're so sweet. I'd be a bias, but let's see if I'm still up on New York. I'm bloody mugget. I hear that, Muddy. There's lots of fake gurus only showing partial strategies. Exactly. Like I said, so it's why I literally take every single trade live. I have not taken a trade off of the live stream, so you can witness all of it. You can see for a fact the emotions, the fails. Good grief, there were so many fails. The wins, you know, all of it. But that was my main reason for taking everything live, because there's a lot of people out there who say, oh, you know, I'm doing this and this and this and this and this, and all you get is an edited video. Yeah. But there is a one that wins 85%. But inefficient order blocks in the booth helped a lot. But it is nice and run strategy. Print if you're in. There we go. Hey, Solly! What's up? How you been? I don't dare look. Once I show you what I do, you're gonna say, oh, then you're tired and the rest will be history. That's hilarious. Got 14 failed accounts on Top Step alone. Damn! Life sound, what did you start with? So it sounds like you're now super keen on Top Step. What was your first broker? Was Top Step your first and you just kind of never went back? Out of curiosity. And it's not real instead of a real market system. Here is a working strategy called mean revision market. We'll make a move and retrace 50% back, find swing points and enter for the 50%. Me and Hammer have quite a similar way of trading. I think maybe you just use some different ranges sometimes, right, Hammer? There's no such thing as 100% win rate in long-term trading. Spitting right there. Like I said, for me, that's a dead giveaway if someone says, I got 100% win rate. I'm like, okay, okay. If you can prove a different story, but I need the proof. One simple tip, keep placing orders, keep making mistakes. No, don't react like 10 years experience when anyone into a couple of years trading. One simple tip, keep placing orders. Oh, yes, trade, keep making mistakes. Yeah, because losses are just lessons, right? That's what I said about yesterday. That one was definitely a lesson. I just bought my TPT Evo back above break even. I'm slightly green now by 240. I was only 190 away from blowing account 2. Got lucky on a big trade. Oh!
Nice.
Well done, Lance. That is awesome. See? That's what I'm trying to do. I'm just going a whole lot slower than you right now. Is it... I don't even know what this is doing anymore. Only Nan who that Hannah. Wait, I feel like you've mentioned her before. I tried it and a couple of the other big boys. I was blueprint from last August when that had code help. But I Topstick is a platform for trading. Oh, lifestyle. Okay, that makes sense. There's no such thing as 100%, but 80% win rate with phenomenal risk management will have you systematically grabbing payouts bi-weekly. Pension impulse coming. Outline 17ish over 13 miles, basically 12 months. I'm blown. Close, still here. I'm still here. Still fighting. Jackie, well, if I have $1 billion in a brokerage account and I trade one micro long, I can just hold through the drawdown every time that I would be 100%. I guess. Yeah, David, but you use bots, that's different. I say we march the United States Congress and demand inside information. Tell them, Eddie, tell them. I actually believe that too. Just getting ready to go back to the top of the range. With Fnatic, you can download TradingView for free. And you can, there's obviously a delay in the market, so you're not going to get the live, but for you to start learning things and being able to paper trade, you know, things like that, you can get TradingView for free. Like I said, there's obviously a delay, so you're not going to be trading the live market, but you'll still be able to place your trades and learn about market structure and figure out a strategy for yourself and see if it's something that clicks for you. Also, what's Fnatic? What's up? Welcome. Guys, tell me if I'm wrong. Is anything else that's a bit of a free platform for people who are wanting to start out? I know TradingView there is. Nancy, let me see. Wow, Legend Trader. Okay, I'm gonna have to check her out. It's honestly very impressive. The experience is coming and trading during current world events is good. It's $7 a month for futures data. Trades will work is buy the bottom of the range and sell the top, but you have to lock in. Yeah, Rolf, I was thinking that because it's sad. It's that seek and destroy where it takes out the external, internal, blip, 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 and it drives me crazy. It really drives me crazy. Because I can't trade those days. I know some people can. Serious. Well done to you. I cannot. Hey Samuel, no trades. Think or swim, but is think or swim free? You could have your email on trade her signals. Good free, and you can do paper trading. Oh, it is free. Oh, there we go. Think or swim is free. You are one. No, that's Violinox. Violinox is having an 89% discount. This is your old buddy Felipe. What's up, Felipe? How you doing? I was about to say, I don't recognize you. Just wait for movement. Yep. We just should go in dictionary under insider trader. Oh, what's happening? Oh, okay. Ooh, there's about to be drama in the chat. Luckily, I got my tea. It's actually tea today as well. About to spill the tea. No, I'm kidding. Does Think or Swim work outside of US? I wanted to use it a year or so ago, but it wasn't available in UK. Work with no! Goodbye, Maddie! Enjoy! I'm just watching this thing go oh so slowly. At least you guys are here keeping the conversation flowing, right? Wait for the 5 display, then you'll get a price waterfall on major move up. I think Weeble has futures trading, also paper trading. Hey Rizzy, what's up? How you doing? I think it's Rhythmic Data. I like just the TJ. Thank you, Louis. Thank you. At least somebody appreciates my really, really, really bad sense of humor. 15, it could be bleeding as long as oil is on a bearish. Oh, that's okay, Muddy. Thanks for hopping in, stopping by. Once the free paper trading expires for Tradeovate or Think or Swim, I make burn an email. Eddie, you are such a cheeky chops. Eddie's a bad influence, people. We do love you though. You're like the voice in the back of your head saying, just do it, just do it, just do it, just do it. I love it. Whoop whoop. Hey Hammer, nah, you didn't miss anything. Oh, good grief, why are we screaming? Ooh, T-Trades Futures, does trading ever become stress-free? It does, it does. I think the goal, like this is such a weird thing to say, but I think the goal as a trader is to be bored. Does that make sense? I know that's such a weird, wild thing to say, but to just be bored, like it's boring waiting for your setup. When you see the setup, you just take it and it's automatic and it's like meh, and you watch it happen, and whether it be a stop loss or a TP, you just go cool and you move on to the next, right? But I think the ultimate goal in trading is to be bored. I know that's so weird to say. Somebody said wait for the fireworks. I have the rest of the week off tomorrow. I'm going to dig deep. Oh, you have the rest of the week off? What? That is so cool. What's Fnatic? So here's a question for you. Sorry, I have hiccups. And the question is, why do you want to start trading? Hey, Boom, what's up? Dagnabbit. Okay. That's awesome. I'm so sorry. I have no control over this right now. Hey, Swift. Ryud Swift. How you doing? Yeah, it's painfully boring. Yeah, just chill, press a couple buttons when the time comes, being patient and being able to watch drawdown without getting emotional are the skills, exactly. I have tea. In a few minutes, volume coming. Hiccup mayhem. I know. Why are you lying about something? I didn't lie about something. Why am I lying about something? Is that a thing? If you get hiccups, it's because you're lying about something? What? That's not a thing. Is that a thing? Never heard of that. Do you know what's so funny? So my best friend's mom, she's one of those that never yells, but when she goes very quiet, she's terrifying. She still terrifies me. Not as much, but definitely as a young lass. Oh, she used to terrify me, and I used to get a lot of hiccups, and she would just go and she's like, I have something to tell you. And she would just go very quiet. That was enough. That's all she had to say. And I was done. Hiccups were gone. Oh, she scared me so much. Can I call you Swift? Is that fine? Ryu D Swift. Yes? Good trading is all about waiting. Wait for the setup, wait for the entry, wait for the trade to play out, and then wait to do it again. Exactly. I like that, Rolf. I like that a lot. It's like hurry up and wait. I think that's the best description. You kind of have to hurry up because you obviously have to be on the charts and you have to be here and you have to be ready. But once you're in, you have to now just wait. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Because we say someone remember you when you hiccup. Really? That's a thing? Someone's remembering you when you hiccup. Oh gosh, then lots of people are remembering me because every day I get like, not a lot of hiccups, so I get like one hiccup. Does that mean I was a fleeting thought? Rude. Yes. Oh my god. She's a young lad. Exactly. I want to trade so I can finally leave working away from home. However, I'm still in the paper trading phase. I need a mentor. I'm building good strategies and backtesting. Oh, that's awesome though, Darthbane. Have you had a look into prop firms, or what were you thinking once you're done with the strategies, and what was your next step going to be? Oh, Beta, what the? How you been? Long time no see. Swift trading is boring. Sit and wait and do the trade, and sometimes it's over quickly. Swift, what time frame do you trade on, by the way? Also, what do you trade? I've settled with, and now only trading gold. Never mind. Sorry. You know what else works for hiccups? Add a little salt to warm water and drink from the opposite end of the cup, and you be. I have neurodivergent, need a new hyperfocus to earn a bit of income. Ah, well, I mean, this will be it, because you can never ever. I don't honestly believe that you can ever master the charts. Like, you can master your strategy. You can master your strategy. But even then, again, not 100%. If it was 100%, different story. But there's no such thing as 100%. Which shows that you cannot master the charts, but you can master your strategy, you can master your mind, you can master a lot of things. But again, you'll never be 100%, and you're gonna go back, you're gonna question oh, it's tough, guys. Trading's actually a roller coaster. Look at Discord. Sorry, like I said, Discord's not working on my PC, so I'm going on to Discord on my phone. Actual grief. Okay, Discord. I'm waiting for your Dom. Sorry. I should see what Dom just posted. Oh my gosh. Are you also drinking tea? Are we tea buddies right now? We're all just here drinking tea. Waiting for things. Okay. 4 minutes to move. Fidgeting again. I always fidget. What do you mean? But it can be. So 4 minutes to move. Mastering trading is more mastering logic and mechanics. So in essence, learning and mastering yourself. Exactly, Swift. I like that a lot. But that is. Trading basically puts a mirror in front of you and either you accept it or you have to push on through. Do you know what's bugging me so much? We are 5 people away from being at 17,000 subscribers. We were 4. Someone unsubscribed, right? It feels like we're at that little bit of a plateau, which is fine. It happens often, but it's bugging me so much that there's 5 away. Like it's such an uneven. Anyways. Hey Axel, what's up? I'm drinking the Earl Grey. Oh, look at you go, Hammer. You can be wrong 50% of the time in something, man. Exactly. All strategies work sometimes. Key is to keep it simple. I think one reason I'm not a huge ICT fan, but sometimes works. That's great. But that's exactly, it's like what OTT, and OTT loves ICT. Like he says ICT. OTT, you still here, by the way? He popped in to say hi. Anyways. And he even says, he doesn't use all of it. If he had to watch all of it, it'd be very, well, overwhelming. I think overwhelming is right. But he went and he watched ICT and he took concepts that made sense to him, made them his own, and voila. Now he has a strategy that is still ICT, but he took parts of it and it's giving him payouts. I'm in a popcorn container with lark funding. I'm in about 140. Ooh! Darthbane, that's impressive. Darthbane, how long have you been backtesting N for, by the way? Hey, where am I from? I'm from South Africa. Entry, Gold Reef City, that's where I'm going if I ever visit Joburg. Yeah, Gold Reef is fun. Just don't go when it's holidays or else it's a nightmare of just sitting and waiting. Go when it's like super quiet, then you good to go. You can go on like all the rides 5 times. It's awesome. I actually miss Gold Reef. I think I'm gonna have to go again soon. One minute to break Bob level. What time is it? Damn! Time flies when you're having fun. And when this is going sideways, apparently. I was like, what do you mean 1 minute? And I see it's nearly 4 already. That's insane. I was not expecting that. We are literally stuck in this range. I don't do breakfast, not my favorite. Guys, you're all gonna judge me. I forget to eat until dinner, so I eat like once a day. I could just argue and say I do that. What's it called? There was a whole trend thing. Intermittent fasting? That was a trend thing. I just don't do it on purpose. I just get busy and I forget. Yeah, my strategy is a sweep, break of such a section of ICT, but I think ICT is basically a toolbox. You can pick the ones you vibe with. Exactly, Lifesound. Aw. Awesome, Swift. I love it. Thank you for the info. Off to a commitment. Ah, of course, Wood Fanatic. Enjoy. Woods Fanatic, sorry. Yes, true. ICT is like that. If you take all of it, it's a struggle. Yeah. Anyone here from India? I think there's a few people. I'm not actually sure. No sun here, so I'm getting lost only. It's 4. Okay, maybe if I play the sound, it'll start moving, but this is the saddest little 4 AM candle I've ever seen.
Okay, let's go.
Work. 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 3, 2, 1. What the heck, man? Wow, normally 4 AM is a solid, like, well, either push or drop. That was a nothing. interesting. Well, we're having really good conversations here, so that's fine. This is a calm, friendly life. That's literally the point of this community. Like-minded people coming together. No one trades the same. Most don't even trade the same asset. We're not here for signals. We're here to literally support one another. That is it. Because I personally just feel that is very much lacking in the trading community. It's all about me, and not about, you know, there's people who have just started, who are struggling out there. Like me, I've had days where I'm like, what the heck? And people have like told me I'm saying like a lot, I'm so sorry. They've told me it's normal to feel this way. It's normal to blow accounts. It's normal. All of this is normal. How you're feeling is valid and it's normal. Doesn't mean you're not going to succeed. And you know what? It actually just made me feel so much better. It really, it's helped me keep pushing on. That and the fact that I'm stubborn. But basically, it's just a like-minded community that want to help lift each other up. Kujan Cook says it's going up. Intermittent fasting. Thanks, Sally. I'm trading also in my power to actually get them on. Give you the tools to identify bits. There we go. I can be from India. If Debbie sends me the sheets in time. Lots of having Debbie. Trust trading on nicely. I'm not sure. Boom, are you still here? He was here earlier. Everyone gets used to the daylight saving now. Yep. Why aren't you on gold though? No, gold is still a little bit too much for me. I know Nasdaq is a diva, but I feel like gold can make or break you. Let's not even start with silver, but gold can make or break you real quick. That's buyers, that's support. I want it to be about me. Oh, I'm sorry, Hammer. My bad. Okay, guys, it's now all about Hammer. Okay? From now on, we're only going to talk about Hammer. Is South Africa cheap to live? If you're earning in dollars, yes. Funny, caught my spam and gave half it back because I was on the phone. And then just I found that with TJ On's group, everyone was like 16, 25-year-olds, so I felt like an old head a lot of the time. Oh, that's interesting, life sound. Not me, I'm here to selfishly watch when you get your first payout. Gold will make you brah. I don't even know who TJ, is that a bad thing that I don't know who that is? Maybe I need to start doing a little bit more. I don't even know. Aw, Chris, what's up? Like watching a TV show and you know the protagonist will win the hockey championship at the end of the movie? Have you ever traded in mini contract? I think you'll have more success with minis because you're very patient. Maybe minis for New York. Lance, okay, I hear what you're saying. I hear what you're saying. Could we maybe have a little bit more of a cushion on my funded before we hop over to minis? Because, yes, then if I go green, awesome source because you're going to earn more, but it does mean that if it's not green, I'm going to lose more and I still don't have enough of a cushion. Hammer. Wait, oh, that was such a missed opportunity. Be like, stop. Hammer time. Ayo, ayo, ayo. Anyways. Ah, true. Me cooking. Snoozing this morning. Don't put your trading. Solly, have you been trading or life's still just, yeah, kicking you? What am I trading? Even though I'm on a funded account. Shadrach. I mean, Hammer, I would judge you, but I'll send you a screenshot of probably, I can almost guarantee it's going to be the first video that pops up. It's going to be horses. So I was going to be like, no, but yeah. I'll trade New York, not trading London. I'm not regretting it either. No, Debbie, you have missed nothing. London did that whole, I hope you're ready for nothing. it gets critical. Maybe make smash pass with max size. Could be a fun experiment if needed. Lance, that's valid as well. The price action on what is consolidating makes it to find an entry. Lucky you've been great. That's good though. So good. This is trading successful and using to and then he trades life for clarity. Ah. Oh, okay. I thought that's interesting. I was actually going to check him out. TJR. Let me do that quickly. Let's see if we can find him. I've sent some pictures to your Discord. Thank you. Hey Daddy Socks, how you doing by the way? Rolf, there's the move up. Still not moving. I had a feeling London was going to be, with Asia being so good. Yep. Aw. San, what's up? I'm good. How are you doing, Lucky? TJR. $1.43 million subscribers. Good grief, my man. When did he start streaming? Oh, 2022. Okay. Holy guacamole. I'll have a look. Was he only trade New York station though? Oh, God, flaps out. 1.43 million. I'm unworthy. Good grief. Anyways, moving on. Is not real though. Check out as his partner. Money, they're the best trading streamers, hands down, no question. Oh, TJ. Oh, okay. He's bottom of the. Oh, my bad. My bad. Really? Why do you say that, OTT? This is very interesting. This is now. Woo! And there's Lance. Did you see? You guys had me clutching my pearls. Where I was like, where's my necklace? That's a lot of Patrick's trading gives me anxiety, but he to be making that money. Hey Peter, what's up? I mean, this price action today is... Yay. But that's okay, right? We still have New York. Like Debbie said, I wasn't expecting magic after that flipping Asia session. It's completely... It's run out of gas. And nowadays gas is so expensive. It's New York and London. Oh, because I see he's not trading now. That's fair. I think most English spokesmen understand the joys of being from the top. The follow will make you mad. Lindsay, thing on downtrend that'll hit in 24 to 48 hours. And trades at different speed stuff. That's cool. But do people really go to TJ offer learning low-key being scammed? Wow. My full port is on break even and I'm getting bored. Oh, thanks Daddy Stocks. Oil prices not in the morning. Hopefully gas prices drop soon. Oh, you know what? I don't trust it. I don't trust it. I don't trust anything. We are 2 people away from 17k. I'm... Who said that? Who said that? Okay. Anyways, ba-na-na-na-na-na-na. Ooh, we could do butterfly of the day. Do you guys want to do butterfly of the day? Patrick is more entertaining. Let me wait. Let's find Patrick. Oh Patrick. Let's do this thing. This. Oh, fights are happening. Okay, Hatterick. I feel like a... Aha, found it. $1.21 million subscribers, good grief. Damn. When did he start? Oh, damn. Okay, he started 2017. Interesting. You can't trade consistently. I was trading broke up to get like internet course like to learn an MSS entry on a fair value. What? OTT, are you serious? What? I think the sad thing is some people pay for that. Not from this team. Some decent trades in this squad. Lucky we're finally getting back to business. What, the markets? I do agree. I do agree. I mean, not right now, but that's just because Asia was insane. Isn't day trading fake? No? Are we fake, guys? Definitely not fake. Easy? No. Hey, Black Arm TV. I have questions about that, but anyways, what are we analyzing? We are currently sitting and waiting, staring at the Nasdaq futures. Realizable just both charge like 6 mentorship and we never interact with them. Oh damn. Yes, I'm not saying there's no value. Hey King Camo, what's up? We're absolutely fake. Ah, damn it, guys, we're fake. I knew it. Well, you're AI and I'm definitely a bot. Gosh.
Nice.
Guys, if I was AI, I would be smarter. Just saying. Training. That's what I heard from someone that knows her. Her course is like 5k to 5. What? You know someone that knows Tori though? Let's agree, but at the same time, I'm not paying 4k to learn trend lines. I would never pay to learn. I agree. I'm trying to form a candle. I'm just a full car up these days. I'm gonna say this, real traders don't have a crazy social presence. The hell? OTT? Wow, OTT just here insulting me. You, no, I'm kidding. I'm just messing with you. Still running on. I agree, I can't spend anything online except evil accounts like a degen. Okay, who is TJ? Are we talking about bikes? No, apparently he's a YouTuber. Sorry, we're now on like a full-on... Well, you guys are on a full-on conversation. I'm just here again for the tea. Who taught me trading? Well, sweet and simply, I had a friend that taught me the basics, like the fair value gaps, order blocks, and consolidation. The rest, I actually learned from this amazing community. Like I said, you guys should see my notepad. It's full of copy-pasted things, and then I'll go and look them up and research them. Yeah, so I actually learned all of this from you guys. The real gurus. Need 10k hours to master any craft. Trading isn't different. I agree. Oh, really? lucky. Good job. Oh, blueprint is to scam kids, isn't it? But he's cool, so it sells. Sorry, I was listening to the drama and had to chime in. This is very entertaining. Downtrend below the white dotted line. So, if I was taking a trade, I'm not taking a trade in this price action. No thanks. Anyways, if I was taking one, it would have been this bad boy right here. But, oh, we seem to have some fire going on. I am not trusting this price action right now. Absorption, let's see what happens. TJ, I'm all hilarious though. Pay attention here, is probably going to push beyond your level, but you can catch it on the way back down. I mean, it would make sense that maybe it wants to tap back into this order block. How does this look on the 5 minutes? Oh, never mind. A decent order block on the 1 minute. This is me. Going back into here. Oh, wow, okay. This just looks terrible. Absolutely horrid. I'm going better last Monday. YouTube and learn breakout from. Because of blueprint and something shows that I'm into in there. One called Iron, definitely going places. It's gonna stop loss. Such an ugly price action. Well, I mean, Axel, thank heavens I'm not in a trade then. You don't know where to go, so mental's good, but the more you learn, you see you could have done it without paying if you only knew. Okay, anyways, remember it's most always gonna buy to the highs. Looks like the bouncing cat. That's okay if I do some self-promo. Sure, Lucky? What are you self-promoing? You can, more than welcome. This is a community. We can help out. Glad you ain't in that trade. Yet my reading psychology says you don't want to trade, but why? Bruv. Nah. What do you call an overweight wasp? Oh, Skeletor, that's amazing. Couldn't cook. No, so I've heard of the what's it? Dead bouncing cat. Or the dead cat, but it had dead in front of it. I'm assuming it's the same thing, right? Life sound. Yep, hindsight is 2020. Ah, there we go. Thank you. I just don't like the fact that they say like a dead cat. That's mean. Cat did nothing to you. You can catch a good RR when it starts to go low. Hey Root, what's up? How you doing? I've been looking into swing trading a little more recently to have a strategy for 1 trade a week. Live sound. Live sound, I hear that. Hindsight is so easy. There's nothing here for me to trade, literally. today there's nothing here that is presenting itself as an A+. I'm waiting for New York. I think New York, we might get a banger. That being said, I've had it a few times where I've sat for like 2.5 hours and the last 30 minutes a banger trade rocked up. So if people ask why are you still waiting, then because sometimes, again, patience pays. Sometimes you have to just sit and wait some more and sit and keep sitting and keep waiting. That cat and I have history. I need just a bit more than I'm on a 20% with the full port. That's why we can teach guys and dogs how to trade. Get yourself a pet that can trade and make you some money. So lucky. I mean, we could just teach Perry how to trade. Can you imagine? I don't know if he'll be super impressed with me though. I think this might be a lucky but good entry. Okay, put the top of that green line higher. I'm a cat, BTW. Guys, I have 3 monitors. Too much, or should I stick to 2 monitors for both setups? I'm conflicted. It's great these market conditions force us to adapt. Oh! Now there's a ceasefire. The markets will care about economic data again, but it hasn't been very good. Why was the butterfly so moody? It was that time of the month. Butterfly! Sorry, I just remembered we need to do butterfly of the day. Should we do butterfly of the day? Hello, sweetie pie. Hello, sweet angel. It's a 45 going down here. What is this cat talk? What's happening? These 43s are not bad at all. There's still room for the trend. Let's see, maybe this does, maybe this does, maybe this doobie-dooby-doo. Anyways. Hello. There's 4's insane. What are you using for monitors for? You know what? That's valid. But OTT... Why would you need 3 monitors? Slash, do you have space for 3 monitors? Don't forget, get out of the work. Oh, and was a lifestyle definitely not, unfortunately, some platform. Okay, give me a second. Let me go, bruh. No, nobody upset for not taking it. Okay, let me go get the book. Sorry, it's next to my bed. I'll be right back. Look, I'll even leave the microphone. Perry is in my way. Mathematics. One stream, the other for chat, then the other for another chat or Discord. Oh, there we go. Hey, Ink Boy, what's up? Oh, sugar honey, I see it. Give me a minute. Where is the book? Okay. Sorry, I was real quiet. Did I just sneak up on you guys? But anyways, let's do this thing. Chicken wing. Wonder why she's reading that book in bed, maybe practicing the Latin names. No, it's because I see some butterflies now that we're doing butterfly of the day. When I'm writing in things, there's butterflies that obviously fly around, and I see them and I go, ooh, I wonder what butterfly that is, because, you know, I'm an idiot. So, like this one. Can I show you this one? See? I got a picture of, okay, you can't see. I'm gonna have to post it in the Discord. Point is, I then had to go and find it. Baby set up her nose and saying gold is dumping, missed that. Can you go to the 5 minute? I can, Axel. 5 minute looks like so. Still messing around in the red. Let's see. Oh, so slow. Okay, shall we quickly do butterfly of the day? If you copy missing traits with full monitors. OTT be judgy. Just saying. Sorry, this was when I was doing the dollars to rands conversion. So let's do butterfly of the day quickly. Are we ready? There. I mean, it's cool. It looks like a leaf and things. That's something. Silver arrowhead. Oh, silver. Butter. Value. That's... No, I want the butterfly. Chat, there we go. This is it. Oh, wow, they do not have a lot of photos of this butterfly at all. Here we go. Here he is. He looks more like a leaf. There we go, but he's still pretty damn cool. Oh, look, he has little swishes on his butt. Well, not his butt. At the edges of his wings. Little swoops. Anyways, he has little swoops on his wings. I think that's cute. So, silver arrowhead. Wingspan of 31 to 47 millimeters. I don't have a lot of Faneborse. Okay, so distribution. Faneborse, Namakuru in Western Cape. Nominate in Faneborse from Cape Peninsular, where they are common. North along coast to Lambert's Bay, east to Neisner. From Cedarburg and, okay, that's, okay, Neisner. So then habitat is flatlands, coast, rocky ledges. Oh, these are not very common butterflies. Flight period is nominate double, I don't know why he says nominate. Nominate double brooded, September, November, and March, May. Yeah. And probably also autumn brood. Okay, I don't think these things are as common. Anyways, so now his Latin name is Phasis Thero. Phasis Thero. Nailed it. There we go, Phasis Thero. You can see it there. Like I said, he has little... That's a cool photo of him. He does low-key look like a moth, but he's still cool. He's still cool. Anyways, back to the charts. Oh, I see we've gone nowhere. Let us stop loss the big. Yeah, it is dumping and hit my limit. What a stop loss and profit. Let's go. I've seen it. Really? Have you seen it? I mean, that we're playing the last week. Need to get through the store, but no interesting stuff. That's rough, Hammer. Okay. Dude, comes in stories and like the market very difficult. It requires a calm and highly focused mind. Yes, Kevin. You might be stop loss or not, but I think price will go down. No, Daddy Stocks, we're still sitting and waiting and doing absolutely nothing. That's being polite, but it's literally doing nothing. Again, guys, I'm not in this trade, just saying, because I know people love to be like, eh, we're not in this trade, okay? We're fine. What's up, Andy Surfer? How are you doing? Three, two, one, speed. Nope. Still no speed. And imagine it drops now, with it being... would have been a tick away. Did I see the gold chart today? I did not. How does the gold look? Sometimes it's slow then fast. Right now it feels like it's just slow. Oh, wait a second. I drew that badly. Nope, still the same. Good up. Oh, hey, Dan, what's up? Fun fact too about the arrowhead. The caterpillar live in tunnels with cocktail ants and farm them for protection. They go out with the ants to eat at night and come back home to sleep at the same time. That's so cute. It seems like caterpillars and ants are very close buddies. And I think that's adorable. Andy Surfer, yeah! I'm not in this trade, just BT dubs. Just saying. Thank heavens. I listened to myself. Hey! For that reason, would have been a loss. Don't even think this was an A+ setup, to be fair. Oh, it wasn't. This was a B setup. No, why did I say enter? So this was actually indeed a B setup. So that's fine. Now we sit and we wait and we see where this goes. Sorry, OTT, I am sorry. I see you made it with trading and not a failure. Be like, yeah. Wait, oh, I really want to like have a sassy comeback for that, but I'm like, no, maybe that's a bad idea. Lifeson, say thanks, yeah I did. End of conversation. Oil climbing back up again, and then 90. Should not be going up if everything is okay. Absorption, I'm waiting for confirmation to sell again. You take it from here to the dotted line. Daddy Stocks, why are you focused on the dotted line? To the midnight magnet? It's just, it's not being as magnetic as you would like to think. Always fun trades. I don't have money. It still hurts when you lose. My psychology is weak. Psychology is not weak. It's just, it's difficult. You can't turn off English. You can't turn off emotions, unfortunately. Just saying. Maybe it would be super nice if you could just switch off all emotions. But alas, it's not possible. So you just have to keep on going. 3, 2, 1, 11, 11. Oh no, what? My bad, Emma, my bad. She left me because suppose he had a future because he decided to go to college. OTT, that's hilarious. Oh, you can, oh, you can say so many things. Oh, you can be so petty. But don't be petty, be nice. But you could be petty, I'm just saying. This is your opportunity. If you wanted to be, you could. See downtrend. Like shiny thing, you don't need that. Girl, maybe because you have no future. Anyone's your side. Oh, thanks, Stan. You're such a sweetie pie. Last night it was a hedge fund trader. He turned to 60 million. Huh? What the heck, Hammer? That's not okay. My TP is on that high. Ooh, Obito, nice. Well done. Oh, good grief. Obito then whoop whoop, right? It hit? Have you heard about that? No, Life Sound, it's not a Lambo. It's a pink Bugatti. Okay. Then you definitely deserve a whoop whoop. Seriously, whoop whoop, well done. Obito got a win in this. Super proud. Okay, we got some movement. Finally. See if it continues or not now. I blame her that I was losing more money than I was making. Didn't want to go to college. Yeah, but still, OTT, you shouldn't be with someone for money. That's dumb. You are with someone because you like who they are as a human being. I guess it also depends on how she worded the message, right? Wow. Wow. Oh my gosh. It was like 2 years ago with broken structure. Go to college and come out with blue hair, a septum piercing when you said the world. Guy went to college, ended up losing a lot of money too. I remember that long I took a few days ago. Huge profit in overnight trade on 3 contracts. Oh, multi-mirror, nice. I can imagine with that freaking push it made during Asia. Well done. But yes, the pink Bugatti is gonna be sweet. It's gonna be amazing. OGT, I know you're ready for your pink Bugatti. It's happening. Okay, we have some volume, but still nothing in any direction that I want to see it going just yet. Close the full port for 5%. Nice, that's not bad, Hannah. You have a car. Okay. You settled on lime green. Why lime green? Did I just say lime green? Lime green? Nice. Why lime green? There we go. English, nailed it. Reported explosion at Iranian refinery. But what caused the explosion, Shaki? I think that's the question we're all wondering, right? Couple women take advantage of one and I like them. I'll find the right ones. You know. Yeah, OTT, you are so young. You're fine. I think it's ridiculous enough, but it's also acceptable to have on the drive. Hey T-Sav, how you doing? After buying the Bugatti, you're gonna ask in your stream what? I think the main question should be, once I get my first payout, what should I do with it? That makes sense? So you're gonna get a lime green... What is wrong with me? Lime green? Green, lime green Ford? Is that the plan? Because that'll actually be pretty pretty cool. English, 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 English. What even is English? Who even is English? Why even is English? Oh my gosh. Okay. Donate it to us, bruh. For 41. Put it and flip it in the stock market. There we go. Lime green. Super duty. Way too big for UK roads. But never mind. I don't want a Bugatti. I want an island. And to be president, how much does the earth cost? I'm gonna buy the earth and be king. You know what? I don't even know if that one works for us. I think that this one works. So, source of explosion unknown at this time. Thanks, Jackie. Get multiple accounts on copy trade from your first payout. There we go. Want to see the chart? What time frame? 1 minute time frame, and what asset? M and Q. The micros. Sorry, the Nasdaq. No, I said M and Q. Nasdaq futures, the micros though. Wow. Okay, clearly sitting here waiting for absolutely nothing to happen has just hurt my brain cells. Wait a minute. I'm saying wait a minute like this meant anything. This would not have even... that's a nothing trade. And I vote for celebration cake. Celebration cake, you know what? Cake sounds good. Cake by the ocean, woo! Most European countries are pretty broke, so it wouldn't even be that expensive. Is it Kanye West? Oh, was it? Can you tell I do not listen to Kanye West? My bad. Sorry, I had no idea. Elon Musk's cousin? Absolutely not. What's up? How you doing, Nick? OTT might have changed my mind. Okay. Break the structure. Not yet. To be fair, this is still low-key seek and destroying. Took out internal, took out external. Let's see if we then take internal and get a reversal back up. I think I need a pink Lamborghini. Why a pink Lambo now? Not great on the 5 minute, but low-key not the worst on the 1 minute. Oh, it might just tick out though. Rejection of that 50%. Looks like we're gonna target the old low below. This is interesting. What's up, 311 Music? How you doing? I'm out, took another L. Day so far. Oh, cheers, Life Sound. Don't worry, there's always tomorrow, right? Baldwin, no ways. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay. Stop loss of $20. My wake up. Hey, Land, how you doing? That's fine. Okay. Market is dipping on the explosion news. I guess people are freaking out that the ceasefire might be over. Damn it, $20. And let's see. That keeps retesting it. I will laugh so much. Nah, it's going back up. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Damn, that Cake by the Ocean song is now stuck in my head. Back in for Self-Screwed Revenge. Oh my gosh, Louis, no. Whoop. Yep, that definitely would have been a stop loss for me. This is low-key looking like a hands-off day, guys. Literally rejection of that 50% again. Let's see what this does. Energize motivation, what's up? Israel's evacuating several neighborhoods in anticipation of an attack. But I thought everything was sorted now. I'm so confused. It's gonna run the double top, then drop aggressively. Guys, this market is enough to put you to sleep today. Well, the London market. Let's see. I'm hoping New York brings us something good. Itchy eye, itchy eye. Okay, dokie. It's just how I feel right now with all this chaos. News coming through on financial juice. Well, they're also they're famous for saying stuff like, okay, ceasefire, then blam blam bombs out of nowhere. I mean, that's sad though. That's very sad. I just want things to go back to normal. Will it ever happen though? Me. Possibly. Cool. Daddy stocks, I mean, that's going up. Just saying. 311 music, how much time do you trade per day? Just curious. So I trade 3 hours during London and then 2 hours during New York. 3, 2, 1, speed. This is content chief. And hey Victor, what's up? How you doing? Whee! Kidoki, wow. Three to 1 speed indeed, but let's see what this does. Nice 311 music. Do you want to get into trading? Why? Daddy Stocks, didn't you literally say that like 3 candles ago? Damn, I don't want to give away when or she. What? Whoa, insane Asia session. I agree, Ron. London, not so much though. Not as nice. Okay, stop loss at 208. Let's see. Louis, Deep and Jordan, only London is Blay. I agree. Only you're about to get the 5 so that leads to the price waterfall. No, I'm not leaving, don't worry. Still got like an hour. Anyways, is Bob due for more praise? Atlanta, yes and no, it's kind of been stuck on the Bob level, but not enough volume to be pushing back up. I wonder though, I was thinking about it. I was thinking, maybe this is gonna go up to the next Bob level, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure about that one. Man, if it hits, I'm still green, true. Hey, Boojay, what's up? Gold looks good for a buy. Atlanta, what's... Why are you saying Messenger, do you have a mentorship program? No. When do you get a YouTube thing? All your subs, what do you mean? Hammer? Yeah, I can't be a mentor if I'm still learning. That it feels silly. That was a good rejection. Ugh. Seriously, that's all I have to say about this price action right now. Just ugh. Okay. This is a proper wait and see situation. Nope, don't like this trade either. Not even gonna bother putting that there. Maybe it works out, but I don't like it. $50. Oh, don't some people get like, I don't even know what it is. Maybe 100k. We can teach you what not to do. I like that, Bujo. I have Telegram. No, I do have Discord though. 2v3. Oh, sweet and simply. Yep. Sorry, so there's two things I look at. There's some secret bob to bob source, so I won't go too into depth on that, but you see these gray shaded areas? Yeah, those are the bob levels. I can't go too in depth on that because that is secret source and it's not mine to give away. My trade, or my trading strategy, sweet and simply, is a combination of 3. Market auction theory, ICT, and SMC. It's kind of smushed into one. So I use a GAN box for, well, I don't want to say to determine the range, but I use a GAN box. Let me show you here. I draw from the bottom of the range to top of the range. And there has to at least be 3 or more confluences for it to be an A+ setup. For me to be like, yep, okay, this is the one. So, first things first, we see here we have a volume imbalance. Cool. Second of all, we have a fair value gap. Awesome. Third, a shelf. I call them shelves. I think they have better names, like a pivot point or... I call them a shelf. Anyways. So, we have a shelf as protection. Awesome. On the higher time frame, this would also, let's check on the 5 minute. Oh, see, even on the high time frame, we have a volume imbalance lower down, and the top of this wick here. Anyways, point is, definitely 3, right? Got, whoopsie daisies. Had 3 confluences for that trade. I was not here for it, I'm just showing you an example. Probably not that. Yep. So there we go. Those would have been my 3 confluences, and you can see entry at the 50%. Entry would have happened here. Stop loss is 30% of the 50. And TP is 2R up. So it's a 1 to 2R strategy. You can actually see that climbed up quite nicely. Bottom ticked and up we went. Yeah, so like I said, that was a very quick, brief run through of it. And those are basically what I look for. Like I said, I can't give away the Bob to Bob secret sauce, unfortunately, but yeah. Oh, thanks, Louis. You're so sweet. Is it turning around? Looks like a short setup. Which asset is this? Hey, Prayer Kid. This is the Nasdaq futures. Can I have access? Of course you can. Oh, shoot. It is in the description of this video. Sorry, my Discord on my PC is being weird today, or else I would have sent the link. Sorry about that. But it is in the description of this video. Done, missed the deal. No, it me, I can prove okay. Louis, I took one yesterday. I was just an idiot and I moved the stop loss. If I hadn't moved the stop loss, it would have been a winner. My loss yesterday was actually a Bob's Bob. And it shouldn't have been a loss. But forgot, let's not go sideways to look for yesterday's. My goodness! Here we go. So this one here, this loss over here, was actually a Bob to Bob trade. Entry at the top of that wick, you can see there. My TP, my stop loss was originally down here. Yeah. Because I moved it, obviously I was taken out. If I had not moved it, it would have been a winner. It would have actually gone all the way for full TP. Pity, but I was an idiot, so it happens. Projection of that 50%. Wee! Whoa! Here we go. Trust me, I can prove I can predict every single forming candle 100% accurately. Daddy Stocks, didn't you just proved yourself earlier when you said it was going to sell and it's now definitely buying? And you said it's going to go down to the white dotted line and it's definitely not going that way right now. If that was the trade from yesterday, we could just blame OTT. It was. Nikuaba, you're right. We should just blame OTT here. Ah. Shep, I don't even think he's here to defend himself. That's very mean. Yeah, well, definitely these relative equal highs were now taken out. Okay. Practice makes perfect. Yes, but then don't come here saying 100% accuracy. That's all I'm saying. Respectful if you can, but don't say 100%. I said hi, buy my course now. Hey Supra, what's up? How you doing? Looks like a good day. Well, Supra, yes and no. It did basically nothing here. Now we have a little bit of a push. Here we go. A 245. Ooh, that's a nice TP. Atlanta 99.999. Super, that makes no sense. Anyways, Supra, hi, where am I from? I'm from South Africa. What's up? Gonna say Maya's favorite line. Hammer, do you want to be put on a timeout? Asking for a friend? Yeah? Do you want it? Yeah? So let's have a look at the 5 minute here. probably wouldn't have taken it because of, well, everything. We had done a bob level. Again, hindsight is so easy, people. Hindsight is stupidly easy. Go. Up to Asia High. Again, hindsight. Could have very have easily taken it over there, maybe TP been a little bit higher and got taken out. You have to know when it's the correct time to take it and when it's not. Here we go! Super, you're welcome. Was a solid move. Yep, 100%. I know you can be my student, but you have to come in the house and do your washing and cook my dinner. Big wabe. I'm so bummed I missed that Asian session move. I hear that, Hunter guy. Hinting not to move the stop loss until it was 50% to TP and it was something else. Actually said don't move and every loss is a lesson. Exactly. Within 24 hours. Okay. Okay. Okay, so just took out a lot of buy-side liquidity. A lot. It took out actually my point of interest. So if it does start to go down now, it makes sense. I wonder if it is going to go and take out the Asia high first though. It is possible. Maybe it's going to tap into the Asia high and then we might see a reversal. With hindsight, I never lose a trade. I love that, Debbie. Comes the pullback. Sounds like beef jerky. That's very random, Mikwave. I'm buying at 202. Unfortunately, this would actually be my range. I like this drop down. Only with hindsight. Mikwave, I figured it out. Okay, what was it? What's inside the microwave? Wow. Hey, Sai, what's the next move? Oh, all good questions. Also, this is Hammer.
Emotional damage.
Seriously. Seriously. Like, it was good, but seriously. It was the coffee I left on my desk. Ew! I didn't even know coffee could smell like that. That is disgusting. Ew, nasty. My door just slammed. Huh. But them's not the rules. Them rules say that would theoretically be entry. Oh my gosh. Got a volume imbalance on NQ but not ES. Okay, just bought. I'm just proving I'm 100% accurate without a stop loss. Anyone can be accurate without a stop loss if you sit and wait long enough. And if you have the capital to not blow your funds. Revenge! This is now a bull trap. Shorted at 230, covered at 215. I think we kind of see the same levels on the charts. External and internal liquidity. Wait, did you just like market in, Louis? Okay, dokey. I'm just inaccurate with the stop loss if my target is the stop loss. I'm saying you can make money and get more. I don't mean to be rude here. I know there's lots of people that, maybe not lots. There's some people that trade without a stop loss, but not a chance. I will never, ever, ever trade without a stop loss. What are the horizontal numbered lines on your chart? These? What do you mean? Oh, this? My GAN box? Are you asking this? Trading without a stop loss is called naked trading. I kind of love that. That's hilarious. So potentially that. No, like I said. Man. You could give me something, that would be nice. Okay, okay. Okay. Like I said, it has hit my point of interest. I'd rather be naked and trade with a stop loss. Atlanta? I think you'd be kicked off of YouTube if you did that, just saying. Oh, I was nearly gonna be sassy, and I thought, no, don't do it. It ain't worth it. OTT, what's up? We had a little bit of a push, and that's about it. So you haven't missed much. Put that into a club banger. Do it, Louis. Banger time. That was weird.
Emotional damage.
OTT, she blamed you for yesterday. Oh, that's right, I did. Hey, Joy Fun, what's up? Everything. What are little brothers for? You're supposed to be like, nah, it was him. It's his fault. He did it. He broke the thing. I don't know what thing, but he broke it. Oh my gosh! Literally putting me to sleep. At least the price action is a little bit more normal, unlike yesterday. I don't know how to explain what was wrong with yesterday's price action. Yeah. This just feels more normal. It's just slow. It's just slow. I'll clip that too. Bang a time. That'll be the chorus of the song. I'm confirming if it falls the set 100% of the time and has been doing. So, Daddy Stocks, have you been trading on an eval now? It's doing a mini power puff. No ways. Oh, lol, it is. Okay. Okay, guys. I absolutely hate the fact that I'm saying lol. I hate it so much. This feels too small. Maybe it's right, but it feels too small. Let's see what this does here. I'm the middle child. Oh, that makes sense. No, I'm kidding. I'm just kidding. Hey, John, am I in a trade? No, I'm not. Thanks. Macro for my copy. I'm just having an Daytrading. Can use both trade evade and Daytrading long as that leaves code for me. Powerpuff Mojo Jojo. Okay, broke above. Yeah, little Mojo Jojo action over there. Nice. A little bob to bob going on as well. Not bad, not bad. Okay, yeah, maybe that would do it. I trade the Nasdaq futures. Okay, okay. So ironically, this range, but I feel like it would have been a bit of a gamble to just take out a bunch of like relative equal highs and. Oh no, it's back. But you know when you wake up with a headache? Okay, but Asia high officially taken. Maybe the beginning of upwards. 196 points so long, just entered shorts, 1 micro to start. Makes the candle sizes really big and have to change the manually for each time. Massive here and off. But scalp, yeah, stop loss is a must. When I don't sleep, oh, that makes lots of sense then. Okay, well, we've tapped into the bob level now. Gosh. Darn it. And we took out majority of the buy side liquidity. So if we have a reversal now, it would make sense. Hello to you. Until I use one net to get what I want. My point of interest, can I explain my point of interest? So I had just a bunch of buy side liquidity that I wanted to see it be taken to, and you see these gray zones, these are bob levels. It tends to reject off of them or get stuck in them. So yeah, I was kind of hands off for that then. Already saying the working garden, Michelle. They lied. I'm tired. I've got a sell limit at 349. Oh, good grief. Okay. What the heck? Damn, Hunter guy. All reversals cancelled and delayed till 10 AM Eastern time. How did you identify buy side liquidity from that chart? Oh, I have all of it marked out. This is all previous buy side liquidity. Whee! Yeah. Let's go, Maya. Good luck. Aw, Hassan, thank you. That's so sweet. Imagine I'm paying for the order flow package. Wow, why are you hating on TradingView? It's rude. Okay. Atlanta, thumbs up. Let's see what we get here. Guys. This is yes. This is yes. Just yes. Oh no. Trading Russell 2000 is delayed behind. Oh, that's weird though. Why? Does it show when you take a trade? Yeah, you'll see when I'm in a trade. Don't worry, John. Are you waiting for me to get into a trade? Trust, so am I. Just nothing yet for me has presented itself. Oh, isn't that nice though? You can kind of predict what's going to happen next. $25250 is a strong psychological level. That's a good point. It just feels a bit immature. I mean, like it feels like I'm playing a game and I'm a professional. That setup was great. Everything. Wow. Okay. Wow, Mikarova, you're being mean. Yeah, I like it. Up 20% now on the full port. No ways. TY says, go now, sell. Okay. Definitely keeps the stress mega low for my way, and then. Down to the 50. Oh damn, okay. Don't we still do use a position size tool? Do you wing it? No, I definitely don't wing it. No. Oh wait, I drew this like a chop. Okay, no, that wouldn't have hit. Entry. So trend line is no longer. Let's see, guys. Sorry. Let's see what we get here. Bit of a rejection off of that volume imbalance. Yes, Designer Hub, this is the micros to be specific. Let's see. Definitely with my course notes. Cheat course number 3. I think it might be starting to go down. Oh, no, it's not going. Okay. Double top on ES. Louis, did you hit the buy and sell button? Like you just instantly got in to the trade? Does that make sense? I hope that kind of makes sense. Maybe you do, maybe you don't. That's falling. I mean, the price from those working guns. Sorry, guys. I've been sleeping so badly recently, so let's do this. Designer, are we looking for continuation? I know a lot of people are. Let's see, I'm not 100% convinced just yet. I can't remember. Do you look at Asia market? I don't. Atlanta, sorry. No ways, Hammer. How much should they pay you? Like 2 or 4. Why so many hiccups? I don't know. I think it's just my thing. Oh, the starting balance was 50k. I'm definitely in drawdown. I'm not afraid to admit that. Bad sleep is not allowed. Phew, why? It must be fixed. I'm trying. Trust. Trust, I do be trying. Okay, I see price action's gone slow again now. Nice. John, what time do I start stream? EST time. I'll just use EST time. I start at, what time do I start? EST time? 2:50 AM. Yep. Yes, I start at 2:50 AM and yes, because then open is at 3 AM. Why am I getting so confused right now? Oh, because sorry, New York is 9:30. I don't know why my brain went. No, wait, but that's at 3. It's because South Africa time, it's 3 PM. So I trade then every single day, both London and New York open. London EST time, 2:50. Then London, nope, New York, wow. Wow, brain cells, cool. New York session, I'm here at quarter past 9. I'll get there eventually, wow. 9:15. $1,460.5 down. Yes. Beatrice, yes. The starting balance was at 25k. How much? To be fair, it wouldn't be a good idea to sell this market unless you're selling from a really high price. I feel like we should be looking for dips to buy. And that's what I was kind of looking at here, but I'm not so sure. Okay, without the might catch me at the train station at 2 and collecting copper. Sorry, that's amazing. Wow. Would have missed wow by a tick. Well, let's see if this continues going up. No. Let's see. So I'm being weird now. It'll do nothing until US Open. You think so, Bujay? Why? Yeah, I mean, let's see if this would have hit stop loss or not. So there, I would have gotten into the trade. Yeah. Very big stretch. This market is putting me to sleep. Gosh, I need to just like have a recording of this Just watch this. This will put me to sleep at night. Easy peasy. Wake me up when we're up there. No, I honestly, Hammer, at this point. Wakey, wakey, I'm trying. This was a sweet bob to bob. It was. Look at it go, bob to bob, beautifully. Ooh, okay. Where would you enter this bob to bob be? Something like this. The problem is there's not enough volume. There's really not enough volume at all. Give it a little bit of breathing room. Yeah. Volume, yucky. Yeah. See if this works. Ooh, I don't like that wick down there. That's not a good wick. How can I put you to sleep when it randomly spikes 100 points? Bruh, sitting here waiting for that spike was a lot. Oh, not right now. Were you talking about the one climbing up? And I said gold will drop too. I definitely didn't say that. I appreciate that you think I said that. Maybe someone on the channel said it, but I definitely did not say that because I... yeah. Oh. Here? And then I was actually targeting Asia High, which was around there. Not bad, not bad. That would have been that trade. Price reaction to up. We now have TP. So I would have gotten no. Oh, sorry, no. The entry would have been here, sorry. When it so here. That was just the level where entry would have been. That was the entry. Apologies. Watch this work out. That'll actually kind of be funny. If this does work out, that's insane. Okay. Okay. Waterfall indeed. Good actual grief. I'm in sales again. Am I trading gold? No, sorry, these are the Nasdaq futures. What's up? I'm 93 million short. What? Rob, what did you just say? That seems wild, but okay. Okay, Perry. Just here snorting away. Okay, it's gonna work because what time frame? The 1 minute currently. It's gonna work because traders holding longs are closing in a panic right now. Hey, okay, so not a pair. This is the Nasdaq futures, and time frame I'm on the 1 minute. I do not. Sorry, Mike. Harry, what are your top 5 sleep? Top 5 sleeps. Top 5 tips for good sleep. Wouldn't have gotten tagged in. Oof, that would have just mistagged me in. Damn. That sucks. But on higher time frame, it's bullish. Yes. Next, ask him top 5 sleeps of all time. You know what? I really should. You're like, hey, old petty. Tell me your secrets. Tell me all them secrets. I believe this is working out. Well, I can't believe it, but I also can't believe how well it's working out. Damn, okay, bob to bob. You can get stopped out. Well, not if you're not in the trade. Like, I'm not in this trade, guys. So it's a bob to bob level, but the volume is not high enough to do bob to bob. So I'm not in this trade. It's a pity. It looks like it's actually working really well right now. Really well right now. I did say it took out all the buy-side liquidity, so I'm not surprised by this at all. Here we go. What you do you typically see more volume during? Yes. Louis says, let's go. So that's banger trade. Well done, Louis. Seriously, well done, Louis. That is absolutely